Hi, this is Alan from Businesses to Start on a Shoestring, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to build passive income streams with ease. So there are a number of ways in which you can go about getting passive income streams. One of them is through property. So you can acquire property assets and you can control them to get either benefit from buying below market value, which is the first way to get money from property. So you get money when you buy. You can get money from cash flow, so you can rent these assets out in different ways, and you can get rental income, and you can get benefit from property by capital growth. So over a number of years, your property assets, provided you own them, actually appreciate in value, and that's the third way in which you can get money from property, passive income from property. And the fourth way is to be able to refinance the property and get money out. So essentially what you're doing is you're leveraging the equity in the property. So that's four ways of leveraging property. And so that's why property is such a great investment. And you can also actually do this in a more remote way by doing property trading. So I'll be doing a separate video about how you can trade on property stocks and how you can exercise options on those stocks, and thereby you can do property trading. You can make 1.5% per month, that's 18% per annum, without involving yourself in all the hassle of getting solicitors involved, mortgages, tenants or guests in the case of serviced accommodation. So you might want to watch out for my separate video, which will be about property trading. But this is trading stocks. This is not trading property directly. This is not buying and selling property, not flipping them or anything like that. This is trading stocks in property companies and property funds. So watch out for that separate video, because that's quite a powerful way of making money from property, essentially passively, without a lot of the risk associated with normal property investing. And then you can also make money from affiliate marketing, which is a different way to generate funds, and that is by making recommendations or referrals of certain products that are good products. So this could be referrals of property training, such as with Simon Zucchi's training, for example, or it could be referrals of products like Property Filter, which is a very useful tool for property investors, or it could be something totally unrelated to property, and it could be to do with making money online. And there are a number of products that we recommend for that, but they're not passive, at least not initially. So you can recommend these things, but they usually require a certain amount of work. So we're tending to think that the way to go with property is to go away from the high risk of development, because although there are high returns to make on development, the risks are also high. There are high returns to make on serviced accommodation, but there are risks associated with that as well. HMOs, again, a lot of work for the revenue that you receive. So we're tending to think more about property trading and getting money from property stocks as being the most suitable way to build passive income streams with ease. So if you watch out for this separate video we're going to make about property trading, it will be entitled, or have in the title, The Successful Trader, and you can learn how to make money passively from property without actually investing in property itself directly. You're trading in stocks, you're exercising options on property stocks. So that's a way in which we're tending to move our own research and our own time involvement if you want to discuss this with me, you can do so by clicking on the link below to Calendly. You can book a call with me. That's calendly.com/AlanJE. You can call me on 07539141257 or 0333224127. From outside the UK, that's +447539141257 or +443333224127. Or you can drop me an email at alan@alpersgroup.com. Cheers for now.